In the 1960s, most abortions were illegal in most states. So most states criminalized abortion, and there was no constitutional right to an abortion. Um, Despite the fact that um, abortion was illegal in most states, abortion still happened, and they happened for or in two different ways. There were some cities and states that just didn't enforce their abortion laws. Um, so in those places, a pregnant woman who wanted an abortion could go into a doctor's office or a hospital clinic and get an abortion, and it was technically against the law. But everyone knew in those places the law wasn't being enforced. And that's actually somewhat similar to roughly that same era. There were laws prohibiting contraception in some states, and it was sort of the same thing. It was on the books, but nobody enforced it. And a lot of people would have been astonished to think that it would be enforced. In other parts of the country, though, the laws were enforced, so you couldn't get an abortion at a doctor's office or a hospital. Um, and there were lots of women who got, what some people call back alley abortions using primitive methods, very, very, obviously very dangerous procedures. They can be unsanitary. And that resulted in, women dying and many other women suffering serious medical harm. Because they were illegal and we don't have accurate numbers about how many abortions there were, but there are some studies that estimate that in the 1960s there were roughly a million abortions per year. Um, so so abortion still was happening,